How to add the Polygon network to your MetaMask wallet, step by step. First, open the MetaMask app or browser extension and log in. At the top, tap the network dropdown. It usually says Ethereum mainnet. Scroll down and tap Add a custom network. Now enter the following Polygon RPC details. After filling it out, tap Save. Now, click on the drop-down again and select Polygon. Now you'll be able to send, receive, and interact with MATIC and Polygon-based tokens. You can also visit chainlist.org, connect your wallet, and add Polygon automatically with one click. And that's how to add Polygon to MetaMask fast, easy, and DeFi ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.